Hello. Eccentricopera. You here? You all think you can beat us. I do this a lot. I don't know why. Maybe it's to show off my bracelets. Maybe. What you thinking, Patchy? I don't know. He doesn't know. Would you, do I know any songs? Do I know any songs?
Does he know any songs? He might.
I might.
He might know a few.
Have you?
He might know a few songs. Yeah. Do that one.
Ah.
Okay, let's do it. You know what's coming, don't you? Ra ra la la la, Roma Roma ma ga ga, oh la la, Wonder Mad Romance, Roma Roma ma ga ga, oh la la. Want your bad romance, I want your ugly, I want your disease. I got me Led Zeppelin tee on.
Got my hood
Got
on,
your hood
gotta
on.
keep warm.
Yeah.
There's a puppy on
His name
the
is
screen.
Jack. Oh, ra, ra, Roma, Roma, ma, ga, ga, oh la la.
This
Want your
song is
man romance.
improvised. There's a light, it's shining right there. It's shining on my keyboard. I stare. Eeny, miny, 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 mo.
Yeah. Catch a tiger by its toe.
You know they like grape. You know they like grape juice.
Everyone likes grape juice. Grape juice. Everyone likes grape juice.
Boom, boom. Give us a second to come up with the chorus,
Okay.
and we will. It's going to be about bread and toast.
Bread and toast.
You know I like toast hard.
I spread butter on my toast and I eat it raw.
I get the jelly right out of the jar, 'cause you know I love me some toast.
Toast. I get some honey and some peanut butter and I put it on the other piece of the toast. And another piece of the toast is the jelly that we spread on the toast.
I like toast about you.
Toast.
You do,
Toast.
Alicia.
He
You
likes toast.
I like it burnt, but not too
I don't like
burnt.
it burnt, but not too
I like
burnt.
it fresh,
He
but
likes it.
not too fresh.
Oh, not too fresh.
I like to fold bread up in squares and
in
then
squares.
I eat it, and it's like, hey, it's heavier than it was before because it's all in one spot.
Because it's all in one spot.
I like to eat toast, it's really tasty. Eccentricopera is going down.
Down.
Eeny, meeny, miny, miny.
Cuckoo-choo. You guys are going down, 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 you guys are going down.
Even though you're girls, we call you guys.
It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter, we don't care.
Nope.
You can call us sexist, we don't care.
We don't care.
Right.
His hat's gray, mine's
I'm
brown.
a hip-hop anonymous. But
Hip-hop.
my rhymes are bottomless, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Darn. How about
I got hurt feelings, I got hurt feelings. The day after my birthday is not my birthday, Mom.
Let's do synced songs. Synced song.
Like what?
I don't know. Looks like a giant rabbit. Without the buck teeth. Daddy,
Now you look like Miley Cyrus.
Daddy, I want a Facebook. Why?
Now,
must
darling, I told you couldn't have a Facebook.
But Daddy,
I told you no.
my teeth aren't that
Hannah
buck.
Montana.
Oh,
I told you no.
don't do that. I'll go retarded.
You're gonna do what I
I'm
said.
gonna go retarded. He hurt me.
She takes after her mother.
You shut up, father. I don't have to.
You don't want to go back into the cellar again, do you?
There are lots of popsicles down there.
Not the kind you want.
The Queen of Hearts.
You can't touch the Queen of Hearts.
Why not?
It's just the Queen of Hearts.
It's like freaking Robin.
Can't touch the Queen of Hearts. Just can't do it.
You have hard.
This is almost 6 minutes long.
You have hard stuff in there.
Hard stuff.
A tribute. My nose itched.
Do the all she wants is.
Right.
All she wants is. All she wants is. She wants me to get a haircut. She says it's too long and it gets to my eyes. She can't see them. She can't see my eyes no more. But when we met 4 months ago, she could see them. She could. And then she's like, dude, get a haircut. I can't see your eyes. And I said, no, it keeps me warm in the winter. In the winter. I got a haircut before in the winter. I could hear the breeze in my ears because my ears won't cover my hair.
Look at maybe.
Oh, look
maybe,
at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Look, see. Okay, I can confuse. Oh, look, it's coming right to the edge. It's almost if you had 3D goggles.
Almost if you had 3D goggles.
Almost.
Can you imagine that?
It's 7
That would
minutes
be
long now.
so great.
Well, anyway, we're
Okay.
going to win this battle.
And we're
we're
going to win. Because we've all great. Could you love me?
I can't rightly say that I do.
Could you learn to love me?
No.
Do you want to go to a club where people wee on your faces?
Yeah, that sounds pleasant. Let's do that. Ready?
Alright.
Ready? All right.
No!
Here we go. Goodbye. You don't want to see this.
Or do you?
We're gonna win.